You can make websites like this JPG to PDF converter within just minutes and make $50 a day or maybe more than that. As you can see with a similar web extension, this website is getting somewhere around 259.7 million visits every single month. Now just imagine how many people might be clicking on this ad. As you can see, this is an ad, right? So if I just move to this place, you can see that this is an ad. This ad is by Google, right? So if people who are coming on this website and using this website every single day, and if they click on this ad, this website is making hell amount of money, and you can make such websites just few minutes. How? With the help of this tool called ChatGPT and Deepseek. What you have to do, you just have to copy down this exact prompt that I have used. I want to create one page tool website where anyone can upload image and they can convert it another format like JPG to PNG, JPG to HEIC, JPG to SVG, etc. I'm a non-techie person who do not know coding, so write code for me so that I can host this on my hosting. And then I've given some pointers, for example, like add proper header and footer, because I want proper header and proper footer. And then I want spaces to host the ad on this one pager website, as well as I want this website, this one pager tool, to get optimized according to SEO. And that is why I have asked like use proper description and add keywords. And after giving this prompt, I got this proper coding. So what I did, I just copied the exact code and downloaded it. And if I show you how this website looks, so if I just go into this and I actually downloaded this, now if I just open this, you will be able to see this is how, guys, this website looks. I've just exactly copied the code that I got from ChatGPT. You can also like I provided the same prompt to DeepSeek, and they gave me the exact code. You can also copy this code, and then the website that you will get, this will be the same website like this. All you have to do is now you just have to upload the image, and then you just need to select in which format you want to convert it. And then boom, once you click on the convert image, you will get your converted image from one format to another format. This is how people are making millions of money just by creating one pager tool website. But now comes how we will rank this website on Google. For that, you have to find out what type of tools you can create, because if people are not searching about those tools, then there is no point of creating that website. Then what you need to do, again, I use ChatGPT to find it out which kind of website people are still searching on internet. So I told ChatGPT that I have few suggestions. Now on the basis of these suggestions, tell me what more people are searching. Now I got to know people are searching about image background remover. So you can also make a website on how to remove image background, right? Just by providing the exact code and replacing the title. Then GIF maker from images to videos, video caption subtitle generator, AI powered image upscaler, AI headline generator, SEO meta description generator, blog post title analyzer. There are so many tools on which you can create your website. But the point is, how to choose the right topic? Well, the topic will depend if there are searches for that tool or not. And for this, I have created a separate video. So if you go on YouTube and if you go on my channel, my username is Rohan Gulati 504. So if you go on YouTube and if you come into the video section, all you have to do is you just have to scroll down, and then you have to find volume of keyword for free. Because what will happen if there is no volume for that tool, there is no point of creating that website, right? So for instance, it is asking me that we can create a tool on speech to text online tool, right? So you just copy this, and if you watch this video, you will be able to find the volume of the keyword for free. So if you have not watched it, go back and watch the video, but I'm quickly gonna show you the volume of this keyword. So you go on Google, and then you just copy this, the text that you have just copied, and then we will be able to see that how many searches are there. So according to what's my SCRP? There are zero searches for this particular keyword. But if you look at some other keywords, speech to text online free, there is 70 volume, guys. Voice typing in Word 390 volume. Speech to text Google has 1300 volume. Voice typing has 4400 volume. That is how you can decide which one pager tool website you can create. And once you have got your niche, after that, what you have to do? You have to upload the code that you have got from Chat GPT. I'm talking about this code, guys. Once you get the code from Chat GPT, after that, what you have to do? You just have to copy the code and then you have to upload it on your hosting. For the hosting, you can use hostinger.in, right? I have given all the links that I'm showing you on the screen in the description below. So you can use Hostinger and then you can host your website for as low as, if you go into their different types of hosting, then if I go into the web hosting, then you can go ahead with the premium plan which starts with $2.49 per month. You can go ahead and buy this plan and you can host it for as low as 2000 rupees a year. That means 2000 INR only a year, right? You can also use some other platforms like Dreamhost. This is one of my favorite platform, Dreamhost and Bluehost. So you can go and you can like pick up the hosting according to your own needs, right? So go ahead and like pick any hosting that you like. After that, just host the website and do the basic SEO. Basic SEO like optimize meta title, optimize meta description, add keywords. Now where do you need to add keywords? You just have to add keywords right over here. For example, like convert your images to different formats. Easily upload and convert images to formats like JPG, PNG, HEIC. These are known as keywords, guys. Convert images to formats like JPG, PNG, HEIC. In my prompt, you do not need to worry about how to add keywords because my prompt will will let you add keywords automatically. So whichever tool you want to create, just replace it over here and then boom, you will get your optimized SEO friendly tool website within just few minutes. If you are unsure how to host it on Hostinger, then or maybe on any other platform, just comment down under this video and I will be able to help you out how to host any tool website on platforms like Hostinger or maybe Dreamhost, Bluehost. And I hope you like this video. If you have liked it, give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.